Hey, Kate here from WTI, and check out this stunning serving board from Azauvc. Now, what I love about this is the combination of materials. So as you can see, there's this beautiful white marble part, and then the bottom is acacia wood. Every piece you get will look a little different because these are made of natural materials, but it also means that it's durable. So I love the look it gives to have the combination of both. It's a nice small size, perfect to display appetizers. This makes a beautiful cheese platter. And then of course, it's also a cutting board. So if you want to use it to cut up your food, that's totally acceptable as well. I love that the marble side is cool to the touch. So if you have something that's a little temperature sensitive, you can display it on this board for a while and it extends the length of time you can have it out of the fridge. It has the hole here so you can hang it or you can add a piece of string, make it look a little more farmhouse style. But I love the quality of it. I love the look of it. I think it's beautiful even just displayed on a shelf. But if you are using it to serve on, it will really step up your game. So I definitely recommend it, and that's my point of view.